Oh, g'day guys, Mr. Adventure here, and we are off on another Suzuki adventure ride. This is going to be a pretty awesome day. Staying the night down at Emmaville in New South Wales. There's only a few of us here, small turnout, but doesn't matter. We're going away on the bikes. It's all bloody good. So yeah, I am leading the first part of this ride, and Mark from Ostrom is taking over the lead for the second part of the ride, and I'm going to be tail. Heading towards the Adventure Rider magazine congregation at Tingha, the Northern Congregation. I went to that last year and camped. I'm not camping there this year, and I'm not going all the way, but some of these guys are going on tomorrow, and some of us are heading back. I've got another function to go to in Brisbane tomorrow. Just doing the ride down. It's going to be pretty cool though. Lots of dirt, lots of back roads. Very awesome. Stick with us. This is going to be an awesome day. Hopefully it won't be too hot, but it's definitely going to be dry and dusty. Jesus. So I've got Lewis there from Suzuki Australia has come up from Victoria to ride with us again. A little bit warmer and drier than it is in Victoria currently up here. If you must. We're just coming into Rathdowney now. We're going to have a little stop here. We're only about an hour into the journey. Alrighty, we've had a quick little break here in Rathdowney, and everyone's raring to go. Hit some scenic roads now around the back of Maroon Dam, head out towards the back of Mount Barney, and hit on the dirt. There we are, the glorious Mount Barney. Here we go. It's time to start the dirt part of this adventure ride. I got the heart racing, just skipped the rear out a little bit further than I wanted to. Alrighty, here we go, just crossing the border into New South Wales. The road on this side is much more hard packed and less loose gravel, a bit more fast and flowing, but in the wet this becomes just a slippery clay pan on this side. Back to the cows again, hopefully they'll behave themselves and stay off the road. Yeah. No, I don't trust the baby ones. Typical. They're the worst, the little ones. They just get right out in front of you. They don't seem to have any awareness yet. So from memory, that's the end of the dirt for a little while, probably the next hour or so, till we're down past Legume on the Mount Lindesay Road, and just interchanges between bitumen and dirt. Funny thing about the Mount Lindesay Road is the bitumen, the tar bits are bumpier and rougher than some of the dirt bits. I do love this road. It does get bumpy a little bit further on, but this bit that they've done up is glorious. Nice curving road, and it's fairly smooth. It's got a bit of a bad reputation because of its bumps over time, this road, but it's a lot better than it used to be. And now we're onto the rough section that this road is known for. Woo! It's bumpier than the dirt we just come out of. There's stories about this road. If you walk along the whole edge of it, you find enough Harley parts to build yourself a complete bike by the time you get from one end of the road to the other. But the old V-Strom though, laps it up. Oh shit. Just coming into Lagoon very shortly, and this is the burned out area from the fire I saw was burning through here last weekend or the weekend before. Bloody trucks, Jesus, they're everywhere on this road. Jeez, it's so bumpy, this road in spots. The camera's just, it's not going to pick up how rough this road is. Oh man, shakes you about. It's good fun. It certainly adds the adventure element to this bitumen section of the road. Dry down there, not a speck of water in that river. I love this little section, I do remember this. Oh, vehicle coming the other way, it'd be good if you could just use the whole road. Such a fun little racetrack. You never know what's going to come around the other way. Sure, it's not too far until this turns back to dirt. Oh no, there we go. Didn't think it was too far away. And that's what I'm worried about. Cars coming around the other way, taking up the whole road. Pretty easy dirt road to do, it's all pretty hard packed, but occasionally you get a bit of deep gravel in some of the corners and some of the wheel tracks. So yeah, you've got some yellow lines on the road around here which usually indicate snow areas. Yep, it does snow here sometimes. Oh, alrighty, here we are just coming into Tenterfield. A bit of a refuel stop here and a bit of a lunch stop. This old building here, it's classic Tenterfield Saddler. That is historic. It's had songs sung about it. Let's go get some lunch. Alright, these guys have come from down near the Victorian border, fighting the fires. There's a few fires going on around here at the moment. Just saw the helicopter come into the dam in town. There's a bit of a pond, a bit of a lake, and yeah, took some water out of that to fight some fires nearby. Yeah, it's always good to see whenever there's fires around, you know, fireys come from all over Australia. Help out their fellow fireys. Well, we're just leaving Tenterfield now, and it's only about 180 k's or something, 120 k's or something to our destination, but it's going to take us 2.5 hours according to Google Maps because it's lots of dirt. So bloody dry though. Yeah, you can see it's very hazy and smoky down that way. That's where the fire is at the moment. So after leading us from Bow Desert all the way down to Tenterfield, it's now Mark's turn to lead the group. He can get us lost. The worst thing about taking the tail now is I've got to cop all the dust. This is lovely. Even though it's a very barren countryside, it's still a nice view. The bike's out front, kicking up a bit of dust. Dirt road winding its way through the rolling hills. Not a bad way to spend a Friday, I tell you. Could do this every week. It's almost sandy here, just off to the side anyway, once you get off the main part of the road. Oh, the goat. Doesn't know which way to go, scared crapless. Where are we going here? No through road. So we've left the sort of main road in here and gone off down this little track. I don't know why. Google Maps are leading us astray. Don't know. It says private property that we're currently on. Might be a bit of a shortcut. And now we've come to a locked gate. Doesn't say no entry. Jesus. All I saw was a cloud of dust. I thought you'd gone down. Really? So did I. Jesus.
Carrying this gear on the back of the front side.
Yeah.
I'm just like going, fuck, and it just feels right, and then you head down, I'm just going,
Yeah.
oh, fuck.
I couldn't see the track. All I saw was the dust and just, I didn't know where to go.
I'm out of here, I'm fucking going up here. Get out of this shit. And then I saw you and I thought, oh no, you're going there.
Yeah. This just looks like someone's property. Yeah, nice view, but I think we're lost. Someone's house. This just doesn't seem right. It is an adventure ride, we don't know where this comes out. Oh, the sand is so deep. I didn't catch some of that on film, but that was crazy coming out of there. I've never ridden in sand that deep. It's not Simpson Desert deep or anything like that, but for my skill level and the bike I'm on, it's quite hairy. Managed to keep it upright so far. Just.
Oh yeah, it was about this time that we decided to give up on Google Maps trying to lead us astray. So we backtracked back out to the highway and then eventually found the road that we were supposed to be on, the road we were trying to get through to, which was the road through Mole River and then through Torrington National Park onto Emmaville. This was an awesome dirt road, but I didn't manage to capture any of it on camera this time, so I'm going to have to go back again and show you that road another time. Okay, well that was an adventurous day. Finally made it to Emmaville Club Hotel, is our luxurious accommodation tonight. Oh man, that was adventurous. Unfortunately the camera batteries just died. I ran out of GoPro batteries and didn't capture too much towards the end. Missed out on capturing my closest encounter with a skippy, kangaroo wallaby, and nearly head on with a four-wheel drive. But awesome riding. Very challenging towards the end as I started to get tired. Very dusty, the sun was in our eyes and the animals were out everywhere. Anyway, that is the end of this video. I will catch you later. Thanks for watching. See you later, guys.